Mm-hmm. This thing clean, bro. Look at this dude, bro. Look at his console, man. See, that's the big thing now. He got the original 8-track. Yeah, I don't see the 8-track. Yeah. How that car came that year, man.
Except for Cadillac. No, they wasn't really riding.